Hey everyone, this tutorial is about changing joystick in mobile projects. So here is Touch Manager product, and by default we need to open the virtual joysticks here. We can open it, we can check where it's located, and we need to export those textures. It's just for example. Export and to the desktop. After that, we need to open our Photoshop, or I'm using Affinity Photo 2 because I don't like greedy Adobe subscriptions. Uh, and this works pretty the same, but when you just bought it without subscriptions and much cheaper. So let's drag and drop background first. And here we can just select this fill and select the color. I think this dark will be great. So we have now, here is a circle. Now we need to export it. The second one. And now again with this thumb. And let's make a color a little bit lighter, like this. Now this will be, I think, or we can try, and we can also paint. Oh, it's very huge. Okay, let's test. So export, and now let's move to Unreal Engine. And let's add our textures here. So by default, we have those textures, but in Touch Manager, we are using different. So in level 3, we have our own touch interfaces. So let's change here. It's for background. So background to background. And this to thumb. And let's check. It's the Unreal level 3. And here you can see we have updated our with the custom color joysticks for mobile projects. So you can make the same and even better, because I'm not the UI UX designer and it's something strange for me to work with something like Photoshop, but I know basics.